Slow cooker. The Crockpot manual 7-quart slow cooker combines convenience and efficiency, making it an essential addition to any kitchen. With a striking turquoise finish, its stainless steel construction ensures durability and an appealing look that complements various kitchen styles. Measuring 14.5 inches in diameter and 9.5 inches in width, this slow cooker is sizable enough to accommodate meals for families or gatherings with a generous 7-quart capacity. The appliance operates at 1500 watts, providing reliable performance for slow cooking, allowing for the development of rich flavors and tender textures in your meals. The control method is simplistic yet effective, featuring a manual control type with 3 distinct settings. This straightforward functionality means anyone can quickly learn to use it, making it suitable for both experienced chefs and novice cooks alike. However, it is important to note that it is not dishwasher safe, which might require some extra effort for cleaning.